Welcome back, artistic family. Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Glad you guys are here. At first, I just want to say thank you to you guys because the amount of love that I'm getting for my new adventure into abstract painting is fantastic. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. And for those of you who are new and aren't aware, I am a fluid artist who has recently dived into abstract painting. So I'm kind of merging the two and trying to do it all. Wanting to express myself in ways that I really love and I really enjoy by abstract painting. And I also want to say thank you for you guys. You grabbed up 2 paintings last week right away. I think I had the videos posted for a few days. And I actually just got 3 commission pieces. So I have some big canvases coming. One of them I may not do for you guys on screen because it's my biggest ever and it's massive, and the editing portion of it and moving it around, and I don't have people to help me with big ones, and it's super heavy because it's on MDF. So that being said, I have something exciting today. Now, I'm not in love with dustpan pours. I had done 1 or 2 ever, but I thought about doing something a little different. So I have my classics, woohoo, my faves. So what I'm going to do is load up the dustpan, and I'm going to lay black on the canvas, but I'm not going to completely cover it because I am going to do some tilting, but it's going to be more action-packed. So I'm just trying to pouring it on, you know, I'm just going to almost kind of flick it to a certain degree. But I am going to be pouring just circles, and then we're just going to see what happens, and I'm going to tilt it off. And then plan B is if I don't like it, I'm going to go in and swipe it. Dried results, and it dried really beautiful. And I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I actually love the dried results even more than the wet results. It just has so many beautiful nuances of color with the blending. And I absolutely really love this piece. Very sophisticated and elegant, yet easy, but lots of detail and interest, and the movement and the flow is beautiful. Love the depth. It looks good. Still stuck to my parchment paper here. It looks good in either profile. Composition is beautiful. At least I think so. And I love the subtlety of the white. Like, it's there and it's present, but it's just very subtle and it doesn't take over the painting. So I really enjoyed that. That was really fun. You know, making kind of more like an action painting. And I just thought it would be a fun way to create this time. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate it. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next pour or painting.